Hello, Facebook Live. Hello, Instagram. Hello, everybody. Happy Friday to everyone. I'll give everybody a few minutes here to log on. I never know what camera to look at, so I will look at the Facebook camera. Sorry if I go in and out. The phones are starting to ring here at Aroma Time. It is that time, making reservations for tonight, and just so you know, we take reservations, but we take reservations day of. This way we can watch the weather, we can figure out staff, we know if sitting inside or outside. I have the fire pit going already outside. It's beautiful out. It will get chilly, so if you are coming in tonight and you want to sit outside, go ahead and make sure you just bring a sweatshirt or a blanket or something. So hello, hello Sally, hello Michael. Thank you everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. Let's see, Monday, I'll jump right into Monday. Monday night, we have an awesome event. I'm really excited. We have Michael Davidson from Black Infusion Vodka coming down from Boston. He is coming to do an event with us on Monday night. It's $25 a person. It is 3 cocktails and a dish. I still don't know what Marcus's dish is. I think it's a surprise, but it will definitely be something figgy. Something with fig. I have started to choose my drinks, so we will be doing 1 apricot drink and 2 fig drinks. And I'm actually going to practice one tonight, and let's see how it comes out. I am excited about it. Sometimes my Facebook Lives, I have tasted the drink before, and sometimes I have not, and that is the really fun part for me when it comes to doing my Facebook Lives. So hope everybody had an awesome week. Hope you're ready to get out there and go for a hike or a bike or get out this weekend. It's supposed to be nice during the day, but at night it's supposed to get a little chillier. So we do have our inside. It will be open if you do not want to sit outside, but we always have our beautiful garden area available outside to sit. So thanks everybody again for watching me. I appreciate it. Let's see, we added some wines to our wine list. We have a Primitivo Rosé to go. I think it's $14.99. In-house is $25. We added another Primitivo to our list from Salento, from Productoria di Manduria, one of the wineries we will be visiting in hopefully in April 2021 when we do our Italy tour. Those of you that don't know, we canceled our tour in November and we will be going in April. Hopefully April, fingers crossed, will work. If not, we'll move it to November. So there are still very few spots left on that trip. That sold out really quickly. And then if we get to go in April, we'll go again in November, and we'll probably do Sicily. So that is exciting. Let's see. All right, so let me get on to my drink here. I am making a Figgy Thyme. It has fig vodka, it has rye, it has espresso, it has a honey chai syrup, and top it off with some cinnamon. So I'm going to start with an ounce of rye. I'm going to put about 1.5 ounces of the fig vodka. I'm going to put a shot of espresso, so 1 shot of espresso. I'm going to put about 1 ounce, about 1/2 ounce of this honey chai. And I'm going to add a drop of agave, because I think it's going to need just a drop of agave in there. And let's see how this tastes. So I'm going to taste it first, see how it tastes, and then I will pour it. I like to test it, make sure I don't have to adjust anything. Oh, that is interesting. You're right, Michael. It's like a fall version of a Manhattan. I was looking for something a little peppy, something fun. I think Monday it's going to be a little chillier. It might even rain, so we would move things inside if we needed to. And I was looking for something a little more fall. I did some research today and came up with this drink. So, all right, nice and frothy. Look at that color. I'm going to add a little cinnamon on top. And there, I called it a Figgy Thyme. So this is Michael Davidson's Black Infusions, Black Fig Vodka. So we'll be using this on Monday during our tasting. It's $25 a person. You can't beat that. It includes 3 drinks. Sorry. Oh, that is actually really good. Marcus, you want to taste it and give me your opinion? Marcus usually is over here right away.
Building a website today.
He's building a website today for our VIP winery vacations. That's really good.
That's really good.
That's really good.
So what'd you put in here?
So I put Black Fig vodka. I put Mr. Peabody rye. I put a shot of espresso, honey chai liqueur, and a splash of cinnamon. So, and then I added a drop of agave to it. It might not even need the agave. I'll have to taste it without it, but it's really nice.
That's really, really good.
Yeah, that might make it to our menu. So, oh, and Michael Davidson is telling me that everyone's going to get a shaker. So if you come to the tasting, I know he's bringing some swag. So you'll get a shaker, and I think we'll be making 1 drink together. So I'll give you all the ingredients. You can mix that drink and taste it. So that will be fun. Interactive a little bit. So those of you that don't know, I've been doing these Facebook Lives since March, since the pandemic began. I have never been a on-camera person. I don't really enjoy being on camera, but I've gotten so much better at it, doing it over and over again and forcing myself to get over that fear of being on camera and making a mistake. I've just forced myself to do this. And I don't know, I'm probably at episode 130, 140 by now. I'm not really sure. I think they can be found. Where can they be found, Marcus?
On YouTube.
On YouTube.
We're gonna catalog them on the website.
We're gonna catalog them on our website eventually as well, I'm being told. So you can find a drink. We're gonna name all the drinks, and then you can kind of find something. You know, some drinks are good, some drinks aren't so great. But for the most part, I've found some really good cocktails. I've added them onto our cocktail menu. I have a really small cocktail menu right now, just because of COVID. I just have a little smaller menu. So let's see, we are open this weekend. We're open tonight. We are open from 4 to, the kitchen closes around 9:30 on Fridays and Saturdays. Tomorrow we open at 3, Sunday at 3, and Monday we open at 5. Monday is the tasting, 6 o'clock, $25 a person in the garden. If it's not nice weather, we will move it inside. We'll do what we have to do, and can't beat that, $25 a person. The fig and the apricot vodka are here for sale, so you can buy them here. Ooh, excuse me, I think I got a little cinnamon in my nose there. Oh, sorry. Let's see, anything else that I need to add? We have our Oktoberfest menu going. Takeout is available, so come join us. Oh, excuse me. Cheers, everybody, and have an awesome weekend, because I usually don't do these on Saturdays and Sundays. You never know. I might get on this weekend, not sure. And this is awesome. Figgy Thyme, fig vodka, rye, cinnamon, honey chai liqueur, a little agave, and an espresso. So this should keep me up tonight. I will see everybody soon. Hope everybody has an awesome weekend. And thank you. If you're watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I always appreciate seeing everybody that is on, and give me a thumbs up if you like what you're seeing. If you want to see me make any drinks, let me know. I see more people logging on, so thank you everybody for joining me. Thank you for your continued support. Marcus and I are really super grateful that we are doing really well, and we're giving you good food. We haven't compromised our beliefs in any way. And let's see. Oh, we also got our wild salmon in stock. So we have wild salmon, we have halibut, mahi-mahi, and sablefish available. They are frozen, individually Caravac, and you can put those in the freezer, pull it out when you want. Unfortunately, the salmon price went up. We just got the new price. We were told that salmon production in Alaska was a little lower this.
Catch was a little lower.
What?
The coho catch.
The coho catch was a little bit
Some
lower.
of the catches are more.
Some were more, and the coho catch was a little bit less. So, so the price had to go up to, fit the supply and demand. So,
And more people are stocking up.
And more people are stocking up
That's
as
what he
well.
said. There's a real reason.
Yeah, I think more people are really stocking up and getting ready, so that their freezer is full going into the winter time. So, thank you. Someone said they like my nail color. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you, everybody. And I guess that is it. Cheers. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday.